Today, we're at a house where the walls are bowing and tipping in. Sometimes it can be hard to see when walls are moving, but here you can see the top has moved in and the bottom has not. So normally the foundation should be pretty even with your brick or siding, but as you can tell, there's been some movement. We're going to use Fortress Invisibeam to stop the walls from moving. Invisibeam and Fortress Epoxy, stronger than steel.
We've got to get some of these pipes off the wall so that we can grind the wall and get a smooth bond with our carbon fiber. And on top of that, we've got a little drywall that has to come off. These joists run parallel. We're going to need to block them for added strength.
Just like with any job we do, we try to keep your house as safe and clean as possible. We have our Hilti dustless vacuum cleaners, as well as our industrial grade HEPA filters. And as always, Dexter style, we have plastic everywhere to keep your house clean. We're here with Rob from Fortress. What makes this the best product available?
Fortress Invisibeam straps, carbon fiber. We've tested this to be well over 250,000 pounds of guaranteed tensile strength. We pre-saturate it in the factory, cured in the factory, so when it gets to you, it's guaranteed to have maximum tensile strength. The Kevlar weave creates a rigid grid, which allows for bonding. The epoxy creates rivets, which create the strongest bond, so the wall actually becomes stronger than it was before. We're the only foundation reinforcement company anywhere that has Icc certification. Icc is the International Code Council, and it is a governing body that sets standards for code officials around the world. It allows everybody who has our straps installed in their home to have the confidence that they're passing all code, and that happens right out of the factory before it even gets to their door.
This has the best warranty on the market.
If this fails, we'll stand behind to the point where we'll pay whatever it takes to come back in and fix it, whether that's putting new straps on or even rebuilding the wall. We will pay the contractor to come back and make it right. So it is the best lifetime warranty you can have on your foundation. We work with a very select group of contractors. We pick companies like the Real Seal for their integrity, for the quality of workmanship. We're honored to be partnered with Real Seal here in the greater Chicagoland area.
You gotta say it. Most carbon fiber is manufactured and shipped over from China. Not this stuff. It's made by Americans right here in the good old US of A.
So they've covered it with clear plastic film until the epoxy cures. We'll come back tomorrow and check out where they are with the rest of it. We're back on site for day 2. Smooth as butter. As you can see, we've made an H pattern with the carbon fiber where the crack is to help make that foundation wall even stronger. With the horizontal strap here, we're just going to reinforce these vertical straps so that we get the strongest and most secure foundation. Here on the final day, and now that everything is cured, all we have left to do is post-tension these straps and epoxy these cracks. Post-tension is simply tightening the straps at the top with the anchor and the bolts to create full tension. As you've seen in past videos, we're going to use a 2-part epoxy to inject these cracks and make it waterproof. Now that the straps are installed and the cracks are injected, this wall is secure with a lifetime warranty, and the homeowners can finally rest easy thanks to the Real Seal.